In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an accountant to Zoho Books. This process is straightforward and will allow you to manage your business finances more effectively by granting an accountant access to your financial data. Let's dive in. First, you need to log into Zoho Books. Open up your Google Chrome browser and navigate to the Zoho Books website. Make sure you're signing in with your admin account. This is critical because administrative privileges are required to invite new users, such as accountants, to your organization's Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Users section. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll find an icon for settings. Go ahead and click on that. Within the settings menu, look for the option labeled Users and Roles. Under this category, select Users. This is where you can manage the different people who have access to your Zoho Books account. Now, you need to formally invite your accountant to join. You'll see an option to invite user. Click on this to open the invitation dialog where you'll enter the necessary details. It's important to accurately fill in your accountant's details. Enter the full name and email address of your accountant. Make sure to double check this information for any typos to ensure a smooth invitation process. Next, you'll need to assign them a role. Under the Role field, select Accountant from the drop-down menu. Zoho Books has predefined roles, and choosing Accountant will automatically assign the permissions typically associated with managing your financial data. Let's talk a bit about these permissions to understand what your accountant will be able to do. The accountant role in Zoho Books encompasses several key tasks. Your accountant will have access to sales, purchases, banking, and comprehensive reports. This means they'll be able to examine transaction records and generate financial statements as needed. Additionally, they'll have the ability to view and manage journal entries, taxes, and audit logs. These features are essential for monitoring financial records and ensuring compliance with necessary regulations. However, it's also important to note the limitations of this role. By default, the accountant role does not include the ability to delete the organization or alter the owner's settings. This security measure ensures that core administrative controls remain within your hands or are limited to those you specifically authorize. With this setup, you're ready to extend the invitation. Once your accountant receives the invitation and accepts it, they will be able to start working within your Zoho Books account immediately, helping you maintain accurate financial records and guide your business to success. And that's it. You've successfully invited an accountant to Zoho Books in just a few simple steps. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.